whip up a blueberry buckle. Like I just need the buckle. Zoinks! Baking powder. Like I got some salt. Got sugar, cinnamon, and I got some yellow sugar hiding back here because I didn't have the brown sugar. Like 4 tablespoons of butter. Since I don't have butter, I opt to go for margarine. I'm gonna clog an artery, gang. Zoinks! Like you ever see that movie? Men with Brooms. Extract that vanilla now, gang. I'm all out of almond milk and oat milk. Woo! Let's put this in the drive. Zoinks! We gotta make streusel for the top now. Zoinks! What's poppin'? Streusel topping. 45 minutes in the oven, gang. Like I'll do dishes, you vacuum the floor, old buddy will bell. Like that's a blueberry buckle if I'd ever seen one. That's how I'm getting baked with the Shagmeister.